All right, let's look at how to install this bookmarklet for downloading LinkedIn Recruiter prospects. It is only for the current version of LinkedIn Recruiter, so that's September of 2019. If this is a few months from now, you may likely have a different version of LinkedIn Recruiter and it may or may not work. I will probably update this script whenever I get the new version, but I don't know when that will be. So first step is copy the script from this link. So triple click, Control C, then create a new bookmark. If you don't have your bookmark bar enabled, Control Shift B will do that. Right click, add a page, call it whatever you like, paste in the code, then click Save, then go to your project, make sure you're logged in, and then run the script. It'll take, I don't know, usually less than a minute unless you have thousands of profiles in a project. Okay, there we have it. Then you'll go to Google Sheets. You can open this in Excel, but this is a TSV, not a CSV, which means that it's a little bit more cumbersome to open in Excel than CSVs are. It can be done, but I'm not going to show you how here. Just use Google Drive. Click Import, Upload, drop the file in. You want to use tab separated. Then there you have it. You get the public profile link, the LinkedIn Recruiter profile link, the first name, last name, location, current employer with the time in that job, that's months, current title, next job, data, university, graduation date, university huge graduation date, some project data, open to new opportunities, desired titles, etc., any notes you might have on that individual. And that is it.